The R2i3 Cart consists of a single box. Here are the components of the cart. Loosen the screws attached to the base of the column. Attach the wheel plate to the base of the column and flip it right side up. Pull on the screw at the side of the column and adjust its height. Unscrew the remaining screws and secure the desktop panel on top of the column. Remove the screws attached to the bottom of the desktop panel and use them to attach the handles. Then, attach the scanner holder. Raise the column to its maximum height. Remove the remaining screws on the desktop panel and flip it over. Align the desktop panel to the column reinforcement plate. Add the cable holder underneath the reinforcement plate as you secure it to the desktop panel. Tighten the remaining screws. Remove the screws attached to the side of the column and attach the storage container. Connect the power cable to complete the cart setup.